wrap for you guys. This time it is a Dodge Ram. We're gonna be wrapping it Blue Gem from Teckwrap. As you can see, the truck is pretty dirty, but we'll be cleaning it as we go.
I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. Darkness had tried to swallow me. Some things I fall, but I hear your call. I pray I don't hit the ground. Gravity. Gravity. Gravity.
Said that you moved on. Where did I go wrong? I tried to make you stay, but I guess my love wasn't enough. Was it me or was it you, love? 'Cause I'm dying to know. Why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? Tell me, why do you wanna end? Was he really just a friend? No sign of you at all. Just pictures on these walls, reminding me of how you threw away all that we've gone through. Was it all just a game to you? 'Cause I'm dying to know. Why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? Tell me, why do you wanna end? Was he really just a friend? 'Cause it's plain in my head, every word that you said, I ain't worked it out yet. So why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? If there was any sign that our love was in decline, I would have begged you not to go. I would have given even more. My heart is breaking up inside. Can't believe our love has died. Guess it's out of my control. Why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? Tell me, why do you wanna end? Why do you wanna?
When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like. But that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this, ever like, beat it, ever like, ever like, ever like, beat it, ever like. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this, we hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy.
Okay, so got a little bit more done on the truck. I didn't film some things like the front bumper and everything just because there's really no space to really show you in detail what I'm really doing. But this front bumper, and it's different depending on the models and everything, is split into two, so it actually makes it a bit easier. But I got the bottom portion done, I just need to trim it out and then do this top portion and that's done. Next thing I'm tackling is this upper portion that goes up and around and down. This part isn't that bad to do, except with the bed not being removed from the truck. It's really difficult to get, one, the vinyl to feed in here, and two, if you do get it in there, it just wants to stick, and then getting it to pop away from the paint and be able to lay it flat is pretty difficult. But I was able to do the other side, so I know I can do this side, and just getting the vinyl in far enough past this little rubber shield so that way it covers up all of the factory paint. And then getting it to conform around this and around this edge. There's some fingering on that part right here that I can't really get rid of. And then the flares, the ram box, rear bumper, tailgate, and then I still have to do this panel on the box on the other side. And then the truck is done.
Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, pain.
All right, so this one I didn't actually show as much as what I would normally do in a wrap video. It was mainly just a time lapse, just to give you kind of the idea of the wrap and everything in the process. If you guys have any questions on certain areas of a vehicle like this, or a Ram specifically, on how to take things apart or different tricks that I learned, let me know in the comments. The finished product though, so much better than brown and gold. And it's currently like 3 degrees outside, so we're not going to take it out and give you a better walk around, but this gives you a decent idea. Probably the most difficult things to do on this were the handles. These are done in one piece. There is a seam where I had to split it, but it's in an area that you'll never see. The hood, if you do it by yourself, it's really difficult, especially if you're working with Teckwrap and their aluminum series specifically. It's extremely thick film, so it's very hard to work with. You have to heat the crap out of it in order to be able to conform it around anything. And then on the edges, it doesn't like to stick. It wants to just go straight back to flat because it's so thick. But the finish on them, on their films, is awesome, and that's why I like it. I used it on the S2000, and now I've used it on this 007 fan. So we got some 007s all around the truck. Got those ones. And then all along the cowl on the hood. The other difficult part about wrapping this truck in here is because we did this in the wintertime and they lived down a dirt road. There was no going, washing the truck, bringing it here, and it being clean, ready to go. It's pretty dirty, so wiping it down as you go. There's a few spots where some debris got underneath the vinyl, which, doing it in these conditions, you can't really avoid it, but you can avoid it to some degree. There's a couple spots, like this piece I ended up redoing because it just sucked. It looked like sandpaper underneath it. Then we got dogs, hair, and then space was another thing. Doing the rear bumper with about a foot of space wasn't fun, but we got it done and it looks good. Another thing we did is I put gloss black on the window pillars, took the old vinyl off of those and put gloss black over it, just to give it the effect that it's just one pane of glass. Looks a little bit better in my opinion than just having the body color running down. The next wrap that's happening this coming weekend is the S2000 again. But if you guys like this wrap, like the video, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and we'll see you in the next one.